welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a Louis Vuitton unboxing. I'm so excited about this item. To be honest with you guys, it's gonna be more like a reveal. I already peeked inside. So I have this humongous box, and just a little story. This box came from Fashion File. The item came from Fashion File, but it came with the whole shebang. So I have box and dust bag and everything, you name it, is there. This is something that I always wanted, you guys, but whenever I tried to buy it at the store, they didn't have it. Then online I tried many times, they didn't have it, and when this arrived yesterday evening, I checked online, they have it. So I was like, should I keep it or should I just go for the brand new one? So anyway, I'm gonna show you guys what I have, but I'm very excited because, you know, yeah, I'm really loving this, and I hope it's gonna work out for me. So again, this is a huge box, magnetic box, as usual. As you guys know, this is the dust bag, and alright, let me see, it's upside down. So they put in this beautiful drawstring dust bag, which I absolutely love. Okay guys, are you ready? Da 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 da. So this is the Palm Springs backpack in a size MM. So this is the largest size. If you guys follow me for a while, you know that at some point, I think it was 2 years ago, when those backpacks came out, I purchased the medium size, the PM size, and unfortunately I returned it because it completely did not work for me, and I wouldn't even consider the tiny one. I'm not a petite person, obviously, so that wouldn't work for me. But I was after the medium size, you know, the larger size actually, and I don't know, it's just like when they were available I couldn't kind of decide, but I just kind of went for it. I absolutely love it. I actually thought it was gonna be even larger, like more, I think, taller, but it was listed in excellent condition, and like I said, comes with all the dust bag and bags, and there's really no flaws whatsoever. As you can see, the hardware is extremely shiny. It's beautiful. There we go. And there's really no, there we go, there's really no use on the handles. The only kind of, you know, the only thing I can notice is that some of the holes, you know, obviously were kind of like this one, as you can see, was slightly stretched, but it's really not a big deal. I mean, I think, you know, I was looking at it, even my husband looked at it, he said, this is like brand new. So, you know, I truly trust Fashion File. I think they you know, they do an amazing job, you know, checking things out and making sure that everything is perfect. So, what do you guys think? Is it a keeper? I really thought it would be perfect for, like, you know, like little trips and with my family and, you know, all this stuff. The only thing is like a little hard is to open this pockets. You won't be able probably to tell, but it's very clean inside. There's another pocket right here, so you can put some, you know, extra stuff. It was made in France, and yeah, it's perfect. I mean, I checked this in and out yesterday evening, and it's really beautiful. There is one smaller pocket here up front, so obviously I thought this would be perfect for, like, you know, the cell phone. There we go. So it will fit my cell phone definitely, because it's quite big, you know, some kind of like a lipstick or something. I don't know. So yeah, what do you guys think? Should I keep it? Yeah, I just thought it would be perfect for the trips, and, you know, like, even since it's not that big. See how hard it is to close the zipper? I mean, I hope it's gonna kind of loosen it up a little bit. You know, since it's not a very large backpack, I think it looks more like a purse in a way, if you know what I mean, like more casual, kind of, you know, keep it on your shoulder. Anyway, if you know, it has this thick straps, you guys, which I was making fun in my video when I got the PM size, because I thought it was look hideous. But with the larger size, I think it's fine. I mean, those straps with the larger size look fine, but with the PM size, it just looks like a, I don't know, like some kind of astronaut or something. I don't know, it was just like, in my opinion, it's funny. So anyway, so this is my quick unboxing, you guys. Yeah, I think I'm gonna hold on to it. Or my husband suggested last night, why don't you order the brand new one and, you know, return this one? But honestly, I mean, I did pay it under the retail price. I didn't pay full price or above, because they were like marked way above. But this one, I think it was on 20% already discount, and I think out of all the backpacks that they have, because I checked all of them, this was the best one. So I did end up saving a couple of $100, so I'm not sure, but I think I'm just gonna keep it. So anyway, yeah, let me know what are your thoughts, but if you have any questions, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye guys!